up, guys? I just wanted to tell you a thing about it's this new thing on YouTube. Well, I don't know if it's new, but there's some slamming tunes. It's called the Harlem Shake, and I'll put I don't. Sorry. I don't know if you. Yep, it's bloody mental. I might do one, but I need like 2 more people, and that's the only reason why I'm doing this video now, is because my Xbox is trying to load. It's been shitty. Yeah, but yep, I'm gonna try and do one. So catch you later.